looking at an older home. A lot of people call this Silverdale stone. It's a limestone. In our neck of the woods, the north sides get a lot of algae and mold on them, and that's what we have here. You can kind of see where it's a black mold. Sometimes it's a red mold. Sometimes it's green. All different flavors of mold or algae, some sort of something growing. What we're going to demonstrate is how to power wash this and clean it off and make this stone look new again without tearing out the grout between the stone, because that can be very brittle and soft. So we want to be real careful not to get into that. And we're going to demonstrate how to take this off and make it look new. What we demonstrated here is that with hot enough water and not that much pressure, we can take this stuff off and not damage the stone or the mortar, and that's the desired effect in this particular application.